Carnival Liberty, we are officially jumping on board. Here we go. Down jump. There it is. So we're on Carnival Liberty and we are at the front of the ship. It's called an Obstructed View Interior and it is 7204. Ooh, I see you. I see you. Hey, there you go.
Well, hello.
Here, Miss Carla, take that and show the people what we got.
Okay, so on the back of the door, we are going to have the emergency instructions right there. We have a light switch right here by the door handle, and if you come this direction, we have closet number 1. Nice hangy closet stuff. Suitcases not included. Life jackets. Kind of a really small little hallway, but I'm just going to back up. You'll see the difference. Look. Then we're going to go to closet number 2. And you have hangy things, shelf, and then I guess where you can put your shoes. Then you have another with a full-length mirror. Hello. And then you have all shelves on this one. Okay. And then when you come right here, you have a nice mirror here. I have not seen how to turn that on just yet. And down here you have that nice little cooler. Pretty cold now that they've got them vented correctly. We have a little table with some towels for the sun. We have some hooks up there on the wall. Some nice art. If you walk down this side of the bed, we have a little lamp that cuts on with 3 different types of plugs, and then storage. This makes into a king size bed, which is very nice. And then I, on this side, have the same. Nice. Okay, with some more art. Chair. Another light so that the ladies can do their makeup and be able to see. Trash can, blow jar. Suggest to bring your own. 4 drawers, all the same. I just can't get them open at the moment. So, and then this would be where your safe is. It's just going to take your ID. You'll swing it through there to open and close it. Okay, little TV. We don't need that much. I love the new AC. And of course, we've already, see, knocked it all the way down. And then right here is the light switch for the bathroom. And on the door, we have 2 more hooks. It's kind of that corner little thing, little shower with a detachable shower head, shampoo, shower gel, little corner shelf, hot and cold, clothesline, and it's the curtain version, which I appreciate. Towels, makeup mirror, because this lighting in here is a little weird, but you have 3 shelves on this side, 3 shelves on this side, plenty of storage, and then another little trash can down there. So anyway, that is the tour of 7204.
What'd you forget?
I forgot to show you the obstructed view.
Oh, it's not just a curtain?
What? This is so pretty. So take a look, guys. All the time we get to see the front of the ship. That is so neat. We have our own little deck out here.